Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you about Vivo latest phone series V23 and V23 Pro. We will talk about its amazing features and performance, so keep watching this video. Before watching this video, if you are new on my channel, please like, subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's start. There are two phones in the V series, so let's break them one by one. The V23 Pro is set up for the V series, getting closer to true flagship specs without comparison on the selfie camera. The first thing to note is that the phone is still as compact and lightweight as ever, just 7.3 mm thick and weighing only 171 grams. The V23 Pro is so compact despite a sizable 6.5-inch display. This is an AMOLED screen with a Full HD resolution, but note that it is limited to 90Hz, which feels a little behind the time with 120Hz, now so commonplace. Inside the phones, you will find the MediaTek Dimensity 1200. On the front, you will find the dual selfie camera, a 50 megapixel main camera with autofocus paired with a 8 megapixel ultra wide. On the rear, a 108 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide and less exciting 2 megapixel micro shooter. Vivo V23 is available in two different RAM and ROM sizes like 8GB RAM, 128GB storage, 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. Finally, the phone ships with Android 12 running Vivo's own Fun Touch OS 12 skin on top. There is a 43 mAh cell battery with 44 watt charging. Vivo V23 basic model has a similar spec, but you would not know it by looking at it. The phone has a completely different body than the V23 Pro, with sort of edges that instantly remind us of the design of the current iPhone. Yet the same camera model and magic sunshine gold and stardust black color choice indicate that this is from the same series. It's slightly thicker and heavier than the Pro model, but only slightly, and the straight edges. It has a 6.44 inches screen, but it is still a Full HD plus AMOLED with 90Hz display. The specifications are similar, but there are a couple of major differences. With the cheaper MediaTek Dimensity 920 chipset, the processor is a little slower and the 42 mAh battery is a little smaller. However, charging is similar. The dual front-facing cameras have similar resolution, but the main back camera has a low resolution and smaller sensor limited to 64 megapixel. So these are the basic specs of Vivo V23 and Vivo V23 Pro. Which is your favorite? Please comment below. If you are new on my channel, please like, subscribe and press the bell icon.